Hi, this is Seth Davis with Return to Simplicity Farms. Today we're going to show you how we feed our livestock. And what you see behind me is a stack of hay that we put up throughout the summer. And we spend probably 3 to 4 months baling and cutting and stacking. And you'll probably wonder why this big tarp is on it. Some people like to build buildings to store their hay in. We choose to use a tarp. It's a little more cost effective for what we do. And it's a little easier for us to maintain and feed on a daily basis. And we're going to show you how we do it today. Here's where we water them. So every day we got to walk down to the ditch bank here and figure out where the best place to water. But as you can see, we've got a water hole for them already. This is something that is a very valuable asset to us, is with this ditch running through the homestead, that we are allowed to be able to water them freely without power or without equipment to keep the water warm and keep it from freezing. But this is the only chore that we have to do, is just come down every day and opening the water up for them.
She doesn't look very good.
Hi, yeah, we're out here on the feed lot, and this is something we kind of debated on if we wanted to show you guys or not, but I think it's something that's educational, and it's something that you have to be aware of when you're living a life of off-grid and homesteading life. We've had a cow that has broken her leg during the winter, and we were hoping that she was going to come out of it, and this is kind of a point of when you're supposed to realize when an animal is beyond its capability of repairing or healing itself, and it's become a point of contention where the animal's now suffering and what you're supposed to do with that. And for us, we've always made it a heartfelt thing that we don't really like that our animals are suffering, and that we take it upon ourselves to ease that suffering in a way that is honorable for that animal. And we're not going to show what we do with it, but it's something that has to be done, and we hope you understand, and we hope you see it from our perspective, that that's what we're planning on doing.
And we try to do this in such a way that honors her life. She's given us lots of good years, lots of good calves, and it breaks our heart to have to get rid of her, but it also breaks our heart that to see her and she's not able to stand up anymore, and it is heartbreaking to watch every morning. And so it's just, I think, for the best that we do this today.
Laura Ingalls Wilder once said, "Life was not intended to be simply a round of work, no matter how interesting and important that work may be. A moment's pause to watch the glory of a sunrise or a sunset is soul satisfying, while a bird's song will set their steps to music all day long." I believe that life on grid or off is just that, life. We must be aware of our individual steps to see what we might gain as we go. With a sense of awareness and purpose at the time of death, our recognition of that moment of sadness is what also helps us to truly grasp the hope that comes with new life all around us. Life on a farm keeps you present in this matter. We are astutely aware that life is but a fleeting moment, but when one creature has come to the end of their life, others are just beginning to breathe on their own. Should this work on the farm become just work, we might miss something greater along the way. We honor what was given to us, and we look forward with expectancy for the days ahead. Life, death, sunrise, sunset. To everything there is a season, and a time to every purpose under the heavens, a time to plant and a time to pluck up that which is planted.
So this is Harry Larry, and for me, on a hard day at the homestead, it's these moments that make it worth it. And I think that today this is just representative of the full cycle of life that we see with our animals and just with every living thing. Harry Larry's going to grow up to be a nice, strong little bull, and he was orphaned at a young age, so we get to feed him every day, and it brings a smile to our faces. So I sure hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment, and let us know what else you'd like to see in our videos, and we will do our best to show you those parts of our life.